This 2018 Forest River Surveyor 265 RLDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 46 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.